I'm Todd Jaderborg with Odin's Wolf Survival. Today's video is on setting up a Tinderball and using a fire steel. I'm here teaching my friend who's never done this before, the first time on how to do it, and I'm here with...
My name is Jenny and I've never done this before, so I'm excited to learn something new.
Yeah, this is some stuff we've collected. Basically dry grass and stuff to set up a Tinderball. It's one of the easiest ones is the dry grass that you can find. This is fairly fine, it's been chopped up. We've got some foxtail, which is what you want in the initial part of it, because this stuff will ignite with a spark really easily. I don't see any more in there. But you'll take some of the finer bits. And what I do is I'll roll them up in my hand. Make sure your hands are dry, otherwise you're just wetting your tinder. This will be the inside of the Tinderball. Put the foxtail in there. And the rest of it, I'll work around into basically like a bird's nest. You want it to where some air will go through, but you want everything tight enough that it'll hold together. If I had some longer grass, it'd be easier. You could just twist it around, tighten a knot. I'll show you that some other time when we get some longer stuff. Okay. And what this is once we got the bird's nest, once she ignites it with the fire steel, we'll stick it in there and blow it up into fire. And we're using an Uberleben fire steel. I had to practice a little bit with one of the harder ones that are a real pain in the butt to use. These Uberlebens are a lot nicer.
This way, right?
Right. Make sure you got the edge. And with these, yeah, that's the edge. With these, you want a 45-degree angle and then push just straight down. A little harder. There you go. Put the fire steel in the middle. That where your sparks are going in. Keep going. Okay, you got your ignition.
Okay.
She's got the coal going real light. You can see it smoking real gently, blow into it. I think it went out.
Oh no.
That happens. Take it out, do it again. Hit it again. And this is one of the first times you use this Uberleben fire steel, isn't it?
Yes.
There you go. You got it. Okay, set it in there. Hold it. Just gently cradle it and blow real gently. You see the coal yet?
You?
Okay, kind of roll the edges up around a little. Hold your hands up, keep blowing. Which one is the smoke continually increasing?
No.
That happens. Okay, we'll get it. Hit it again. That's what fire steels are for. You're getting some char material in there which will grab it easier. I think you might have it. Real gentle. Okay, now start folding the sides up into it. Keep going. Now, when you get to that point, do that. Hold. Be careful. There you go. You got fire. See it?
Yes.
Keep. You had it going. Watch it. Yeah, just set it down. You got fire.
Should I keep blowing?
Yeah, you went out. You got a great big coal there. Look at the size of that coal. Now this, once you got to this point, you would transfer this to your little teepee of real light twigs and kindling, start stacking it on top, which we didn't set up here. We're in town at the moment. We didn't want to start too big of a fire, but we got the Tinderball going and it's doing its job. So your next job would be a few little twigs and everything to go over it, then you
Okay.
blow it up, and once flames start grabbing into it, you got it.
Okay.
We'll have to do another one of these days as you build a complete fire.
Okay. You did it.
Yes, you did. Congratulations.
Thank you.